Alright, let's give this thing a shot here. Come on. Ooh, she's flooded bad. Alright. Well, we know it's gonna run. It's trying. I just gotta go through this ignition system. Battery off. So I've got to change out. Oh, got a plug wire that ain't even hooked up. Wonder if that would help. Big dummy. Let's plug that back in and see. I don't think it's going to, but you never know. Come on, get in there. That's in an awkward ass spot. There we go. There's that. There's that. Ignition on. I've noticed when you turn it over, this light goes off, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to redo that whole little setup down there. That light there ain't even on. Hell, that may be a generator light, I don't know. Anyways, let's unhook that battery again. So yeah, we're probably going to get a better, like a 750 cold cranking amp battery on this thing. Redo the points, the distributor, the cap, rotor, plugs, wires. That voltage regulator's got to go because I'm pretty sure we already determined it's, them points there are jacked up. Put that back on there just so it don't collect any more rain than it already has. Anyways, starter's not even warm, so that's good. Anyways, that's where we're at right now, guys. We'll get this thing going eventually. Just stay tuned.